The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko is a book that explores the habits and lifestyles of millionaires in the United States. The authors conducted extensive research on millionaires and discovered that the majority of them are self-made and live relatively modest lifestyles. The book begins by describing the differences between the wealthy and the affluent. The authors explain that the wealthy are those who have amassed a significant amount of wealth through hard work and frugality, while the affluent are those who have high incomes but do not necessarily have significant assets. The authors then go on to describe the habits and lifestyles of millionaires. They found that millionaires tend to live below their means and avoid extravagant purchases. They also tend to invest their money wisely and avoid debt. Additionally, the authors found that most millionaires are self-employed and have a strong work ethic. The book also explores the importance of education and inheritance in wealth creation. The authors found that while education can be helpful in building wealth, it is not a predictor of wealth. Similarly, while inheritance can provide a financial boost, it is not a guarantee of wealth. The authors also discussed the importance of raising financially responsible children. They found that many millionaires instill strong financial values in their children, teaching them the importance of hard work, saving, and investing. Throughout the book, the authors provide numerous examples and case studies of millionaires who have achieved financial success through hard work and frugality. They also provide practical advice for readers who want to build their own wealth, including tips on budgeting, investing, and avoiding debt. Overall, The Millionaire Next Door offers valuable insights into the habits and lifestyles of millionaires in the United States. By following the advice and examples provided in the book, readers can learn how to build their own wealth and achieve financial success.